Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best ergonomic keyboards in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Best overall, Microsoft 3RA00022. Let's begin with the Microsoft 3RA00022. This Microsoft Surface ergonomic keyboard is an amazing office keyboard that is specially designed to promote a natural typing position. It improves the popular split keyboard design by giving it the same premium material and build quality as other Microsoft Surface products. It is very comfortable to type on and doesn't cause any fatigue, and are also suitable for nearly any office environment due to their very quiet typing noise and outstanding build quality that will last for years. Coming to its build, as you can see, it has an aluminum frame which feels slightly heavier, and the keycaps are smooth, and the keys are very stable, while its wrist rest is covered with Alcantara, a durable fabric that is most often used in luxury cars and a regular feature of Microsoft's Surface lineup. The only thing you need to consider is that this keyboard can be used via a Bluetooth connection only, and it uses disposable batteries. Its extra features include media control hotkeys that are shared with function keys and a few shortcuts like calculator, notifications, search, and task view. Best wireless, Logitech ERGO K860. When it comes to the best wireless one, you can never go wrong with this Logitech ERGO K860. It is designed for providing support, comfort, and minimizing physical strain. It's a little pricey one, but has excellent features like its curved split design and a double-layered soft foam wrist rest with front-end tilt legs. By design, it is a sturdy and thoughtfully designed peripheral that's great for long typing sessions, providing outstanding support with its wrist rest and front tilt legs. It has got 12 programmable keys on the top row, and for connectivity, up to 3 devices can be connected at once via Bluetooth or via a 10-meter wireless range unifying receiver. Its wrist support is also highly comfortable, and probably since it has a double layer of foam inside. And another massive highlight for the K860 is that it's compatible with Logitech Flow-enabled mice. So if you own an MX Master 2S, MX Master 3, or MX Anywhere 3, you won't be in need of multiple receivers, as you can connect up to 3 devices at once. It is easy to set up, and are compatible with Windows from 7 to 10, Linux, Macs, and Chrome OS. Best for programmers, Kinesis Advantage 2. Next is Kinesis Advantage 2. This new Advantage 2 comes with a patented contoured keyboard design and low-force mechanical key switches to address the major risk factors associated with keyboarding for maximum comfort. Using this keyboard will let you place your hands and fingers in a natural, relaxed position to shorten key reach and reduce overextension. And featuring integrated palm supports and cushioned palm pads, it can also promote neutral wrist position, reducing harmful wrist extension. Since it uses Cherry MX Brown mechanical switches, it features a low activation force, tactile feedback. And along with that, they are also rated for 50 million key presses for unmatched durability. It is designed to be plug and play on all major operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome. While its custom settings and layouts are saved directly to the keyboard, so you can move the Advantage 2 from machine to machine with ease. Best split design, Cloud9 C989M. Next is Cloud9 C989M. This Cloud9 split ergonomic mechanical keyboard is the first split RGB full-size keyboard with real Cherry MX keys on the market. It is designed with the highest ergonomic standards and quality in mind, and featuring an adjustable 9-inch braided cable, it can link the two sides of the keyboard, allowing the end user to customize the separation of the keyboard, giving you the most customizable full-size split RGB ergonomic keyboard on the market. From short to tall people, this Cloud9 K989M will be extremely diverse in universal usability. And it can be separated up to 6 inches, keeping your arms and wrists ergonomically aligned for reducing the pain and stress you will feel after typing for long periods. Its RGB backlit keys will ensure that all characters are illuminated and easy to read, while each backlight color will be easily selectable with the included app. Best backlit, Xbose Lite. If you are more concerned about the backlit, then this Xbose Lite is for you. It is actually a mechanical gaming keyboard that will allow you to set macros, shortcuts, and adjust your key layout to suit your needs. It is specially designed with a patented cross-linear layout to naturally align your shoulders, arms, and wrists while playing. And using this Ergo keyboard can also equally distribute the typing responsibility between all your fingers, minimizing typing fatigue and keyboard arthritis. Since it uses premium Gateron Brown mechanical switches, they're faster and easier to type on. And as a backlit ergonomic keyboard, it comes with shine-through label keycaps so that you can work with ease even in low light conditions. You can also change the brightness or movement effects of its white backlight. Best portable, iClever BK06. Lastly, we have the iClever BK06. This iClever BK06 is a multi-device portable keyboard that is designed for people who have to type for 8 or 9 hours a day. It weighs 6.2 ounces and can be folded to a length of 6.5 inches, making it portable to take anywhere to enjoy a wireless technology lifestyle. Its key positioning is incredible. Instead of facing toward you, the keyboard bends in a slight V shape, with the keys angled at 160 degrees. It is done on purpose, making the keyboard more ergonomic to use because, in this way, your arms and wrists would naturally fall when you set them on a table. It can release wrist, arm, and shoulder fatigue caused by incorrect gestures and long time typing. And when it comes to connectivity, you can simultaneously connect this multi-device Bluetooth keyboard with virtually any 3 Bluetooth-enabled devices, which will be a perfect solution for you when working on multiple devices. While its imported Broadcom Bluetooth chip ensures a much faster connection, fluent typing operation, and low power consumption. It is greatly compatible with iOS/Android/Windows operating systems, and impeccably works with all Bluetooth supported devices, even laptops and computers. Finally, for battery, it has a rechargeable battery that the manufacturer claims it can last for 40 hours per charge and recharges via micro USB. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.